Hey Code Ninja friends! Today we're going to take a quick look at a recent submission by one of our ninjas for weekly codeathon challenge number 2. His name is Callum, and Callum did a challenge for a picture book. And what the objective of the picture book challenge was to create a storybook essentially. And he had to use different characters as well as make those characters engage with one another and interact by talking to each other, etc., and then possibly even go to different locations within the storybook. So he named his picture book Fraken Dragon, and we are going to take a look. Hello. Hello. What should we do today? We should play together. We should go skating. But I don't have skates. I have a present for you. Look, skates. Thank you. And off they go to the ice rink, and they're both in skates. Super cool, Callum. It looks like Frank and Dragon had an awesome time skating together. So let's take a quick peek at Callum's code. So as you can see, the two characters in Callum's story are Dragon and Frank. He also created his own pair of skates, which is really awesome. So that's his third sprite. So behind each sprite, there is the code. And the code tells that sprite or that character what to do. So in this instance, we're looking at the code for the dragon sprite. And if you remember, they were standing together. This is where the dragon was positioned. And so you see the coordinates here. The coordinates indicate where they are within the screen. So if we actually go back to the beginning, so you can see that right now the dragon is at an x-axis of -138 and a y-axis of -55. And that is pulled in over here. If I was to change the position of the dragon, it also changes the coordinates as well. And then we can update them over here if that's where we want the dragon to start. So he had the dragon start right beside Frank, and they're chatting in the city. So then it looks like he also wants to code what the dragon is going to say, and he waits in between because Frank is talking back to him. So he's coded all of this by bringing the blocks over, and then it looks like he's going to glide Frank to a random position, and that is when it goes actually over to the ice background. So Frank's code is similar. Where's Frank positioned at the very beginning? What is Frank saying? And look, it's going to glide to a random position on the ice skating rink as well. So when it says random position, it means that every time you hit play, it's going to become a different position. And then the sprite looks like it was designed by Callum, and it shows at a particular time in the storybook. So great job, Callum. It was an awesome story, and your picture book assignment was accepted and well done.